Hugging Face is a community and artificial intelligence platform that provides tools that enables users to build, train and deploy machine learning models based on open source code and technologies. It's a place where a broad community of data scientists, researchers, and machine learning engineers can come together and share ideas, get support, and contribute to open source projects. On your screen, that you can see that I'm already logged in with my free account to Hugging Face. You can also do the same. And then here in my activity, I can see everything related to this AI models, data sets, spaces, and other community things which you can join. My favorite feature in Hugging Face is this trending on the right hand side. Here you can see all the trending models, all the trending data sets, and also the spaces which you can join. Another cool thing about this is that there is something called as Open LLM leaderboard. I will discuss this leaderboard in my next video. Thank you very much.